In a pivotal development, Tesla embarks on a new phase of its worldwide growth. The firm has secured a 19.7-hectare site in Shanghai, designated for an advanced megapack battery facility. This tactical initiative, involving an investment exceeding 222 million yuan, represents more than mere expansion. It's a glimpse into the future. Situated adjacent to Tesla's current automotive manufacturing units, this novel facility is on track to commence operations by the close of 2024. Capable of producing 10,000 megapacks annually, Tesla is redefining standards in the field of renewable energy storage. Such a progressive investment underscores Tesla's dedication to eco-friendly energy solutions and its ongoing expansion in the vibrant Chinese market.